Make a great choice today with the 2018 M2. The BMW M2 Performance Coupe continues to wow drivers with its driving experience. In addition, the latest technology features are in abundance, which includes the latest upgrade in the infotainment system and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, speed control, rear window defroster, navigation system, heated steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.